Hey there everybody, this is Jonathan from Star EV Tech Support. In today's video we're going to walk you through how to use your cruise control system in your Star EV Sirius. Now, as you've probably noticed, we're committed to adding more and more content to this channel, so if you're interested in learning more about your Star electric vehicle, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, and this will give you more information as the months go on about how to operate and use your Star electric vehicle. Now, cruise control is one of the features that you may have on your Star Sirius. This system is designed to work much like the one in your vehicle. On your Sirius dash, you will see a cruise on-off button and also a cruise set button. These are for turning the system on or off and setting the desired speed that you'd like it to hold. Now, the cruise control can be engaged at any mile per hour above 8. So as soon as you pass above 8 miles per hour, you can press the cruise set button. The cruise control system will hold that speed until either one of two things happens. That is, if you press the brake pedal or if you turn off the system by pressing cruise control off. Also, there is a brake switch that's tied into the system, and what that does is give you the option of hitting the brake pedal to disengage the cruise. Now, one of the requirements for your vehicle to be equipped with cruise control is it must have the Curtis controller. That's the way it is right now, but that may change in the future. Now, let's take a drive so I can show you the system in action. So right now, I'm going to press the cruise on-off button. We'll press it here, and it will stay pressed in. All we have to do is wait for the display to read above 8 miles per hour, and then we can press the cruise set button. So let's increase our speed. We'll turn the corner. Increase our speed to above 8 miles per hour, and then press cruise set. As you can see now, it's holding that speed, and that's how the system operates. I can press the brakes to disengage, and now the vehicle operates normally. Now, this cruise control system operates differently from the one in your vehicle when it comes to resume, excel, and coast. For resume, you simply need to press the set button again when you reach your chosen speed. To increase your speed, you simply press the accelerator and then press the set button once you've reached your new speed that you'd like to hold. Now, for coast, you would simply disengage the system by either pressing the brake pedal or using the cruise off button. Then you can turn the system back on once that you're ready to use cruise again. Now, you may be asking if this feature is available for retrofit applications, and right now it isn't. But that's maybe the perfect reason for you to upgrade to a new Star Sirius if you'd like to use this feature. On our website, we do have a dealer locator. This is the perfect way to find a new dealer to purchase a Star vehicle from, or you may use it if you need Star service to service your vehicle. You may have just moved into a new area and you're looking for a Star dealer. You can use the Star dealer locator located on our website, starev.com, to find a Star vehicle for your needs. Now, hopefully we've given you a quick and handy rundown on how to use your Star Sirius cruise control system. So here at Star EV Tech Support, we welcome your engagement. That means we'd like to have a conversation. So if you see a feature that you'd like to have, or you'd be interested in, or you want to know more, something that we've left out or haven't touched on for your needs, let us know. You can comment down in the comments. We'd be happy to help. That's one thing that we do here, is engage with our dealers and also our users of our vehicles. So if you'd like to know more, just let us know. So from Star EV Tech Support, we'll let you get back to your day.